Hello, hello everyone. Hello, hello, my old friends. Today, December the 31st, the last working day in 2024. Tuesday, the last working day in 2024. This is Baker. Here's our site for spring forming machine assembly workshop. And now with total 9 sets in different type spring forming machine and spring coiling machine on the workshop. Firstly, let me show you along. Okay, we are spring machine manufacturer. Show you around for our machine at different stage. This one, and this is the cameras with wire rotary. Cameras with wire rotary. Okay, this one cam type running up sampling after the New Year holidays. Okay, here's 3 sets, 4 sets for spinner. This one and then this. This is our factory assembly workshop for various type of spring forming machine and the spring coiling machine. This area for spring forming machine as total 9 sets machine on the workshop. 9 sets, different size. Okay, this one, cameras 11 axis, and this cam type for the honeycomb conveyor belt. This one sampling completed. Hi, hello. Yes, this is Baker. We are spring machine manufacturer in Dongguan City, very close to Canton Fair complex, just within 1 hour from our factory to Canton Fair complex, just within 1 hour. 53 kilometers from our factory to Canton Fair complex. So next time, all my friends, once you attending or visit Canton Fair or related field industrial exhibition, you can bring along your samples. You can bring along your samples or send me your drawing. Okay, this is our assembly site. We are spring machine manufacturer. This one, cameras, no wire rotary, wire spring forming machine for special tools on the work panel, in front of the work panel, with stand for this, with stand for the front. This completed sampling. This machine goes for East Europe, provide the control system in Russian. For mostly our machine have the interface in English, Chinese, Spanish, and Russian. Okay, very type of machines, and in the second line, last to be next for installing. So this is our factory assembly. We goes running as get the order Then start preparing the parts, the mental parts, the electric parts, the control system, then assemble it together. Running up, go sampling, and over the sampling, client will come to our factory for a free using training. We are spring machine manufacturer. On the wall, here's on the wall, this is the cameras with wire rotary, 11 axes for wire, 8 millimeter. This heavy-duty spring forming machine, mostly using for heavy-duty spring forming machine, mostly using for the agricultural purpose as like producing lake time, lake teeth in the harvester, in the store baler. Okay, you can send me your drawing or sample pictures. We will provide the professional solution for you. This paper telling the key size, key configuration of this machine. The cameras with wire rotary. This one show you the work panel, same work panel, and the different wires, different capability paired with wire decoil 800, 1200, 1500, and 1800 to procession the wire 6 millimeter, 8 millimeter, 10 millimeter, and 12 millimeter. Okay, this one. Here's cameras 210 centimeter, 210 millimeter. So this one, the sliding distance almost 20 centimeter. Okay, show you the whole and the different stage. This 1.6 cameras, 10 or 11 axes, and this running up and go sampling after the New Year holidays. We have 1 day New Year holiday, and this cameras 11 axes, max for 4 millimeter. Okay, here's the one for the compression spring. Here's the one running up for the compression spring. 4 axes, 0.15 millimeter to 2 millimeter. 4 axes spring coiling machine. Show you the 4 axes. This X for the outer diameter, Y for wire fitting, and this Z for the pitch, A for the final cutoff. So this standard the precision level at precision level. The precision level. Some of them means the degree, and some of them as unit the millimeter. This unit millimeter. Okay, this is the key parameters of the most precise tasks, completed task, the fail times, probe, average output rate, the balance, remaining balance for the task. So English, Chinese, English, Spanish, or Russian. This is 4 axes for wire 0.15 to 2 millimeter. We are from China, not India, okay? This is our assembly area for the compression spring machine. Assembly area. 4 axes, this one, 4 axes. Okay, this one assembly and the sampling show you the whole view of our factory assembly site. Okay, this is the one. So next, let's get the outline of our ability, assembly ability for the further introducing about our machine. Okay, this is the one cameras with wire rotary 11 axes. We are spring machine manufacturer. This is my brief. Okay, this is my brief. Export sales manager and Baker Guangjing Spring Machine. Our factory located in Dongguan City in South China. As just within 1 hour from our factory to Canton Fair complex, just within 1 hour. You can send me your text, your sample pictures, or drawing by WhatsApp or WeChat. For more, our machine, our factory introduction, and the sampling videos, more sampling videos, you can visit my youtube.com at my video bank. Here, my video bank. So our machine have the ability spring, very type of springs, oil seal spring, leg time, leg teeth, conveyor belt, mesh belt, and the tailed thread insert. Okay, this is the one. Cameras get it start. Okay, this is back the home, back the tourist site, and let's get it started for showcase. Just it's running because I just stop his wire feeding. If open the wire feeding, then can starting producing this 6mm carbon steel tent camp ground nail, 10 10 pieces per minute. This one, the program, and the tools for this is the reel for this 10 pieces per minute. Okay, it's moving every handle during the procedure. Mostly for the complicated task, all 8 handles and the spinner, even some more spinners or the wire servo cutter during the program. And but for this product is relatively a simple one. So this one and this one, not this one, just need six handle and the spinner to make this the leg tent camp ground nail. So let's showcase the machine. We now have Camless spring machine as with or without wire rotary. Number 1, number 2. No wire rotary. Number 3, number 4. Camless with wire rotary. And this Camless can type with wire rotary spring forming machine. Price competitive. For the ability feeding wire length 0.5 max to 6 millimeter hard carbon steel or soft as iron 8 millimeter. The products, some of the examples, some of our ever made orders example only. We have more ability to make, send me your drawing, sample pictures. As well, we have compression spring coiling machine for 6 models available, 2 axes, 4 axes, and 6 axes. Spring coiling machine. Spring coiling machine. The wire feeding from left to right, from left to right. Wire coiling machine and the wire forming machine. Wire feeding from rear to front. This page telling something special for our special purpose expert for conveyor belts. This is some of our advantages conveyor belt related spring, conveyor belt related chocolate coating, wire mesh bending machine, pipe clamp, pipe clip making machine, and wire straightening then cut off, tailed thread sleeve making machine. This page telling the typical as only 4 conveyor belt wire mesh chocolate coating mesh belt, 3 models as for 2 millimeter, 2.5 millimeter, and 4 millimeter as max. For conveyor belt food procession, bakery, the belt conveyor belt stainless steel 0.4 max to 4 millimeter. So on the table, we are spring machine manufacturer and show you the typical examples with our machine, including this the samples: pro spring, extension spring, spiral mesh, copper, flat copper coil, extension, pro spring, torsion or double torsion, wire bending, various type of wire bending products as regular spring, special spring, or wire forming products, torsion spring, torsion or double torsion. All land on this paper, we can provide you the professional solution if you have the similar or almost the same task. So we can provide machine and solutions for you in a faster way. All the torsion or wire bending products on this paper, we have the solution. We have the machine to cover all land on this paper. If you have the similar one or the same one, send me your drawing. Send me your inquiry to my WhatsApp. This wire bending, wire forming, 3-dimension products. We can provide you the solution. Okay, send me your drawing. You can visit more. You can check more videos, more our machine sample videos at my YouTube video bank. So this is our catalog. Every 3 years, we will revise our catalog. A lot of different size of the machines, okay, spring coiling machine or spring forming machine, our catalog. So next, I show you the products on the special or regular as like this. Pro spring, extension spring, pro spring, the egg blender, the juice blender stick, the blender stick, egg blender, a juice blender, the daily hose, wall hook, the daily use simple hook as household using hook, flat hook, wire bending, wire forming, torsion, double torsion, oil seal spring, oil seal spring, oil seal spring, oil seal spring, and the simple torsion spring. This is using in the mattress. A lot of this kind of spring, simple double torsion spring. This is a simple torsion spring. And this mechanical watch, flat spiral spring, constant force spring, using a tape measure mechanical watch at this one and this safety belt, cars, vehicles, seat safety belt, using this constant force spring. Torsion spring, the torsion spring, 4mm spring wire, using as outdoor performance lighting, LED lighting hanger, outdoor performance LED lighting hanger. Special 2 pairs of tighten ropes, 2 pairs of tight ropes, 7mm carbon steel, heavy duty, heavy loaded chunks, pro spring, wire twisted wire strand with 2 hooks at start at end side, twisted, stranded. And the regular pro spring, torsion spring, pro spring, extension spring, side hook or center hook, side loop or center loop. This okay, I show you more samples as like this, the plastic pipe, the pipe clip, bending expert, pipe clamp, bending machine, 14, 15 pieces, 15 to 20 pieces per minute, 15 to 20 pieces per minute at various of size 3mm, 156, this sample, outer diameter 156mm. as the regular spring, regular compression spring. Okay, okay, the regular compression spring. This one using in here's this one using in the automatic beverage selling machine, automatic drink selling machine. As well, this one automatic beverage selling machine using in automatic beverage selling machine. Compression. OD, outer diameter, is changing smaller and gets bigger and bigger, and then the pitch gets bigger and bigger. Okay, this is using in beverage selling machine, automatic beverage selling machine. Cushion, anti-vibration, suspension spring. At variety of size, variety of using site. Okay, show you the extension spring, anti-vibration, anti-vibration suspension spring. This using in mountain bicycle, in sports bicycle, mountain bike, and also using in the electric bike. Anti-vibration suspension in the front tire or rear tire, front fork or rear fork. Anti-vibration. And wake heavy-duty trucks. Anti-vibration for the wire max to 16 millimeter. This one 7 millimeter. Carbon steel anti-vibration. And this anti-vibration flat rectangle, flat at top, tower shape, anti-vibration, using in the high jump matches, sports or high jump matches, high jump cushion. This one, pipe, clamp, pipe, clip, pipe, clamp, pipe, clip, pipe, clamp, pipe, clip. Wire bending products. Wire forming products, mobile phone holder, 5 millimeter stainless steel. The wire forming products, wire bending products. Okay, this the sleeve spring. Okay, 3 example of sleeve spring. This one in my right hand. Sleeve spring, stainless steel, flat strip, narrow, small pitch between loops. Stainless steel, using to protect the cable and the wire inside goes through. For using site, high temperature, high humidity site to protect the wires, the cables isolation layer. For the using site, high temperature, high humidity. Sleeve spring as also sleeve spring, and the sleeve spring, to protect the wire inside. Go through the sleeve spring at using side high temperature or high humidity. Protect the wires with sensor, the wires with program. This one. Wire bending products, wire forming product, 2-dimension or solid, 2-dimension or 3-dimension, solid or flat. This is the flat one, like the trophy of English Premier League. We also, for the compression spring, mass producing the slant-canted spring, copper, aluminum, spring wire, carbon steel. The torsion spring, the torsion spring, and the spiral wire mesh, spiral spring. A spiral can extend it in different lengths as 2 meter, 3 meter. Flat. For this one, we do a lot of deal for the client using for making conveyor belt, making leg time, leg teeth, this heavy duty camel's wire rotary spring forming machine. For the client purchase the machine making leg time, leg teeth in agriculture purpose using in harvest, store better, leg time, leg teeth. This of majority tasks make leg time, leg teeth. And finally, here's the special solution. Make the conveyor belt single unit at different wire size. This different wire size and the different lengths. Okay, if interested, you can send me your drawing or sample pictures to my WhatsApp, to my WeChat. We will provide the professional solution for you. Bye for now. Thank you, everyone.